Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 4 and the topic animal tissues. Let us discuss one by one. The first question here, what are the different types of blood cells will be there? As we know, answer this here, RBC, WBC, red blood cells, erythrocytes as we can call it as, white blood cells, leukocytes, erythrocytes, leukocytes, okay, then platelets. So this RBC is very useful for the exchanging of gases, transporting of the gases. White blood cells are very useful for the protecting that against the pathogens, and platelets are very useful for the clotting of the blood. Let us go further of next question. The next question is here, why the blood is called as fluid connective tissue? Because the blood is which is present in the fluid in nature, and it is very useful for the transporting of all the materials. It transports that all the nutrients, we can write down nutrients, minerals, hormones, digestive fluids, and gases also to all the parts of the body. So as well as it just collected waste materials also. It collects waste materials also. Okay. So these are all the some of the, like, why blood is called as here fluid connective tissue. All these materials which will be dissolved in the plasma, so that as it just like as a fluid in the nature. So it is very useful for the transporting of all the nutrients, and along with that of gases also. Let us go for that of next question. The next question is, identify your blood group with the help of the kit. So here as we need to take that blood sample by the piping of our fingers, okay. So we can select that a finger here, as we need to apply that the alcohol which has to be used for the cleaning of cleaning of our finger, ethyl alcohol with the using of the cotton. Then as we need to go for that of piping with that of sterilized needle, we have to take that on this slide as 3 drops, and the kit will be there, which is consisting of antisera A, B and RH. So these 3 droplets we have to add to that of blood sample of 3 droplets, okay. Then as we need to go for that of mixing of with this samples with the using of toothpick, and if that agglutination is forms, that it is resembling, it is a positive. So if that agglutination is not there, it is a negative. So let us see that how this will be helpful for the identifying your blood group. So pipes the finger with sterilized needle, okay. So we need to take that the 3 samples, 3 blood droplets. This is what the blood sample, okay. So we have that in the kit, 3 bottles will be there, okay. So one bottle is with that of antisera A, the other bottle is with that of antisera B, and the other one is RH positive and the negative. So the other bottle which is consisting of RH samples, okay. So with the help of the dropper, we need to add this samples to the top of sample A, antisera A, Okay, antisera A to that of first circle means first sample, antisera B to that of second sample, and the RH we can write down here. Okay, so the RH as we can add to that of third sample. Okay, so then as we can observe that we have to mix this with the samples with the help of toothpick. So we need to observe that agglutination. What is the meaning of this agglutination is here? Clumping of that blood. Okay, clotting of the blood. Agglutination. Agglutination or clumping, clumps. So as we can observe that agglutination of these samples, if that sample is consisting of the agglutination has been formed here, and here it is that the RH which gives that either it is a positive or negative. If agglutination forms, it is a positive. If this agglutination is not forms, it is a negative. So when we see that if that agglutination has been formed in the sample A and the RH, it is A positive. Okay. So if that agglutination has been formed in the B and RH, then it is a B positive. So like that way, as we can identify that that if that agglutination with not forming here and here also, and if that it is forming only in the RH, then it is called as O positive. So that is what as you can identify your blood group, which it is A positive, B positive or B negative, like that way. Okay, that's all for this assignment. Thank you.